Okay, video of our driveway and the big honking oak tree that fell. You look at the stump, you can see it split in 3 different directions. One fell up the hill, one fell down across the driveway, and the other one went down towards the house. Did not hit the car. Didn't hit the Jeep. And you can't see the car, but it's behind all that branches. Still snow falling out of the trees right now. The car did not even get touched. But if you'll notice, that tree came down off the hill and does not appear to have done any damage, but I haven't been able to verify yet. Looks pretty much intact. Back to walking around, you can see top of a tree came off there. One up there. A couple tops came off of those. You see some of the branches down there and down there. You might not be able to hear it, but in the background there's constant running of chainsaws all over the place, echoing around here. Power's out around most of the town. Everybody I've spoken to has no power in Oakhurst. And see that treetop and this one. That one. Trees down there. Quite a few of them up there. This one, tops came off of every branch on that tree. I zoom in over on the neighbor's side. You can see big trees down over there. Now around the back here, you can see the top of a tree that fell. And there's where it fell from. And here's the house. I'll come around and shoot it from the other direction to give you a perspective of how close that came to the house. But from here you can see that corner where the tree fell and is touching the house. That tree used to be up there on the hillside. And there's the top of the tree that fell from up there. And there's the house. So about 10 feet away from hitting the house. You can see everything's pretty messy. There's trees down in the street.